True story. In February of last year, I took my car in for service. And while I was in the service area waiting, a young lady comes out and said, "Hey, Mr. Richard, I see your car's in for service. Have you seen the new 2024s? I said, "No, I have not." I said, "Nor am I going to look, because I am not going to buy another car. This will probably be the last car I ever own." She goes, "It's out of warranty." I said, "I know it's out of warranty, but this is my 6th Honda Pilot." I said, "I put gas in and rotate the tires and change the oil, and they always run just fine." She goes, "Well, you're not doing anything right now. Just come on out and sit in it." I said, "No, Katya, I'm not going to do it. I know what you're doing. I've taught you how to do it. I'm not going to buy another car." She goes, "Well, you could at least just come and look at it." I said, "Okay, I'll come and look at it." What happened?
Bought a car.
So, they write up the deal. I said, "Well, I can't take delivery today." I said, "I'll be back in a week." They offered me $34,500 for my vehicle the way it sat. I had 4 scraped up alloy wheels, 2 or 3 dings, small crack in the windshield, and only 1 key fob. However, I bought a Select 6 policy with that vehicle. So between that day and when I came to pick it up a week later, I had all 4 wheels fixed, the dings and dents taken out, a key fob made, and I had the windshield fixed. So they bring the paperwork out to me, and I said, "Katya, bring the used car manager out." So the used car manager comes out. He says, "Steve, I know who you are. We gave you a good number." I said, "I know you gave me a good number. You gave me a good number a week ago." I said, "Have you looked at the car today?" He goes, "Yes." I said, "How do the wheels look?" He goes, "You obviously had them fixed." I said, "Dings and dents?" He said, "You had none." I said, "Key fobs?" "You got 2 now." I said, "Crack in the windshield?" He goes, "I didn't even see that." I said, "No, it's fixed too." I said, "I had paid for the policy to make sure I got more for my vehicle when I traded it." He goes, "How about $36,000? I got $1,500 more. Now the policy cost me $800 and some odd dollars, so it wasn't worth it.
Yeah, it saved you $800.
It's actually a little under 700, but worth it all day long. The condition of the customer's vehicle when they trade it in matters. That's why doing a trade walk is so important. Well, I'll get into that in a minute. What else?